A few months ago, 3-4 months ago, I made a video about the state of Bitcoin DeFi. And for the people who are not familiar with Bitcoin DeFi, for the past couple of years or so, you were able to buy Bitcoin runes, which are basically meme coins but on the Bitcoin network. The problem is they were super slow, and they still are slow unless they're leveraging the ICP infrastructure, which means that we have Bitcoin DeFi today and it's only powered by ICP. And in the video that I made a few months ago, I was looking at a Bitcoin DEX and I tried making a transaction and it took me around 30 minutes for my swap to actually finish. This is the state of Bitcoin DeFi, and this is why we really haven't seen Bitcoin DeFi really take off. So 9 more minutes, I'm gonna probably go have a coffee, have a meal, do something else with my time, and we'll be back. Let me just reiterate how crazy the state of Bitcoin DeFi is right now. I made a transaction 12 minutes ago. There are still 9 more minutes remaining until this trade goes through, according to this website, memepool.space. This is the reason why Bitcoin DeFi has not taken off. This is just absolutely incredible. Is this transaction ever gonna go through? I don't know. You cannot have DeFi if it takes you 30 minutes to do a swap. So this is probably one of the reasons why we didn't see Bitcoin DeFi really take off. And the first Bitcoin DeFi platform that actually works, I covered it in many videos, is called Odin Fun, and it allows you to perform swaps in a matter of seconds by leveraging the ICP tech. And now RichSwap, the platform that I used in the video, has also implemented ICP to make swaps from taking 30 minutes to now under 10 seconds. And let's have a look at their post. Bitcoin DeFi just got a serious upgrade. RichSwap slashes swaps from 30 minutes plus to 10 seconds with on-chain liquidity on layer 1. No more off-chain. This is the new standard. And this post was retweeted by the Definity Foundation. Swapping Bitcoin in 10 seconds instead of 30 minutes, made possible by Omnity Network's REE, Runes Exchange Environment, plus RichSwap. Once again, it really shows who the real innovators in crypto are. And I think that if we are to see a Bitcoin DeFi season, it's only gonna be made possible by the Internet Computer Protocol. And there are many protocols that claim they're gonna be the Bitcoin DeFi layer, sometime in the future. You don't have to wait. You can have Bitcoin DeFi right now by leveraging the ICP tech stack. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Alex, and I've been covering the Internet Computer Protocol for the past 4 years. Since 2021, I'm at the Definity Foundation, the team building the Internet Computer Protocol more than a dozen times. I even went to their headquarters in Zurich to see what they're building and how they're building it. So if there's somebody who can give you an inside look at the ICP ecosystem, that's me. Moving on, there has been an update for Caffeine AI. We now have the app market, which is gonna be a collection of projects that people have built using Caffeine AI. They go into this app market and anybody can take them and clone them and build on top of them. So for example, let's say that you have an idea to do, for example, this app here, like a gym tracker, and you don't want to build it from scratch. You can just take a version that somebody else built, add whatever functionalities you want. And I think this is gonna be super cool. I don't know if you actually have to pay for those apps just right now, but this is a good revenue stream that people who are actually great at building online stores or random apps that people may want to build on top of. You build your app, you list it on the Caffeine AI app market. People want to use it, they will have to pay a little fee for you for actually designing the skeleton of the app. And Dominic Williams, the founder of Definity, he said that within 10 days, there is gonna be a major new release incoming for Caffeine when somebody asked him when the app market is gonna be launched. So in 10 days, I think that this app market is gonna be fully launched and people are gonna be able to clone apps, sell apps, and do stuff like that, which is super bullish. And a lot of people that have been using Caffeine AI were complaining that you're not able to buy credits. And we have this post from one of the ICP hubs that says the wait is almost over. You'll soon be able to buy Caffeine AI credits and make subscriptions using BTC, ETH, and ICP because building on-chain deserves on-chain payments. For now, enjoy your free credits and start building the next app or website all in one prompt. It really feels like every single day, more and more people are turning bearish and are calling for an immediate bear market and that it's over. But if we look at the charts, and I have ICP in front of me here, most charts look very similar to ICP. We had a brief bull period from the last bear market low, just sub $3 to over $20. That was a brief bull period, and after that, it was a down only. So the people who are bearish now, you can argue that we've been in a bear market for altcoins since March 2024, which was the last period where we had real euphoria. And if you want to look at the charts and see where else we had euphoria, when Trump launched his meme coin, that could have been a better top than what we're seeing right now, when basically all of the tokens were at much higher prices than they're trading right now. So if anything, the altcoins have been through the bear market, and we can really feel the sentiment in crypto be at the literal bottoms, and everybody being afraid that it is over and we're not gonna have any type of run on altcoins. It's usually when people collectively agree that something is gonna happen, and this causes the exact opposite to happen. So if everybody is calling for the bear market to begin, I tend to think that the exact opposite is gonna happen, and when the last people are done selling their bags at the literal lowest prices that we've seen in the past 2, 3, 4 years, that is when the prices are gonna pump and people are gonna get bullish again just to buy the bags that they sold at the literal lows. So for the people that are feeling bearish on crypto right now, I recommend stop looking at the screens right now, stop looking at the charts, focus on your day-to-day life, because better times are gonna come than right now. So with that, we're done with this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.